Hello, and this is Khabula the Tea. We are the only channel that sips and do not judge. Let's quickly get on to today's video. So, there has been rumors circulating that Bilo Mselegu is pregnant and that her father, Muslim Selegu, has denied Lobola negotiations for her and that her UK's intuition were paid by her old man. She just cleared the rumors. Let's hear her out.
Okay, ngiphethe ikhanda imali ngiyitshela ukuthi imusine imusine mina ngisho mina thiwa mina ngimithi siqale la kuthiwa one njengoba ngigraduate-ile ngifundiswe indoda engangihlala nayo eThekwini. Mina kuthiwa ngifundiswe indoda kusho ukuthi mina ngisenabazali mina kusho ukuthi abazali bami bashona, they went to God. Ngifundiswe indoda engangihlala nayo eThekwini, which is crazy to me because khona abantu abangaziyo engangihlala nabo eRes. Yeke-ke le sekuve kwathiwa ngimithi ubaba dinakile amalobola ngaze kwathini kwangathangani, and now unfortunately sebefakile umuntu yabo kuyona lonto leyo ebhaliwe nizoyibona isazohlala mhlawumbe esezoduma khona isithombe sami where I was with a friend of mine at the time. So sashaya isithombe kuwukuthi-ke phela umuntu akasisebenzisani kusho ukuthi-ke kube cozy-ke kusho ukuthi-ke. But my chat is, it's fine. Anginakinga lesithombe, it doesn't even matter because it's not that serious, guys. Isithombe sesijile. Ngidida ukuthi mina thiwa ngafundiswa umuntu wesilisa mina ongeyena ubaba wami.
Well, there we have it. She is definitely not pregnant, and there were no lobola negotiations for her, and she doesn't have an old man that was paying her tuition. It was all her parents. Let me know what you think about these rumors in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye, honey.